Published 2145 Wednesday, 4 October 2017. The Met Office issued a yellow weather warning as it predicted that westerly winds will see gusts of 40 miles per hour to 50 miles per hour and locally over 60 miles per hour between 9 p.m. on Wednesday and 9 a.m. on Thursday. An area of low pressure crossing the north of the UK will bring the swath of strong winds on its southern flanks, which could affect the Midlands, Mid Wales, North Wales, the North West, Yorkshire and East Anglia. Rain will also be heavy at times, especially over northwest England and North Wales, said the forecasters. The yellow warning is an indication of severe weather that could lead to travel delays and disruption to day-to-day activities. A Met Office spokesman said whilst this weather is not unusual for the time of year, it brings the potential for disruption to transport, tree damage and temporary power cuts. Earlier this week, bookies cut the odds on this being the wettest October on record as the month began with heavy rain and gale-force winds, leading to severe weather warnings. Copyright C Press Association Limited 2017, all rights reserved, merge accounts, custom true.